of these alliances. It's 20 seconds in total. So far, a low-scoring one, just 4 points on the board for blue, although a few more points should trickle in as more fuel gets launched in by the human players. One of the Red Alliance machines that I can't quite see from this angle. Looks like that's Skunkworks Robotics, scooping up a few last-second points there for the Red Alliance. However, they will still trail by 7 points coming out of auto and get first dibs on scoring shifts during the teleoperated period. There's Team Chuck from Spokane, 2147 machine, scooping up all the fuel and heading to the bottom left corner of your screen. They'll line up to hopefully make some use of that one, finding their bearings. They got to make sure they don't clip the side of the net, which would reject their scoring attempts. They've got just 8 seconds left in this shift to try to score. There's the pulsating lights telling us it's just about Blue Alliance's turn to go, and Viking Robotics out of Ballard is ready for it. Full hopper of fuel. Can't quite get things to go to actually make it connect with the hopper. There it goes. Bunch of fuel making their way into the hub. 1 point apiece for this entire stream of score, although the majority of it overshooting the hub by just a little bit and landing back into the neutral zone. You'll notice that neither alliance just parking right underneath the central hub, trying to recoup the rebounds from the opposing alliance, explicitly not allowed as part of this year's game. Skunkworks just about gets themselves stuck on one of our field elements, but does make their way back into the alliance zone for the Red Alliance. The center of the field is the neutral zone, and then each side of the field is the alliance zone, which comes with various protections against certain defensive maneuvers, making sure that these alliances are given the opportunity to play offense wherever they can. Vikings still can't quite dial in their hub scoring attempts. So they're actually going to run over to the very edge of the neutral zone towards Red Alliance territory and play some distract-a-thon. I'm going to hesitate to call it defense, but they're at least putting the thought there. Skunkworks with some parts flying and flying off of their robot here, held on by just some like 14 gauge wire. Hopefully they're able to retain that through the remainder of the match. They've got 10 seconds left to play here at the end of our end game period. Last second scoring coming in from the human players of the Red Alliance. Just a few points there, maybe 3 or 4. We'll tally up a final match result and get it to you just as soon as we can. Match number 5 is in the books. The Blue Alliance wins that one with a score of 20-14, and they will pick up 3 ranking points to start each of their rank score averages. We'll be right back with match number 6 in just a moment.